Hi, this is Lakshmi Pradha from Erode. Basically, I'm interested in art, designing, and mainly on textiles and fashion designing. And basically, I'm from a textile town, so I get used to it. I get used to see many textile designs and designers. My personal experience in BRDS was totally different from what I thought it would be. First, I was very afraid to come to this part of India because I have never been here or to any of the northern parts, and I know nothing about Hindi, or I cannot speak any Hindi. So I thought it would be very difficult, or whatever I have heard was like there will be a differentiation between the southern part of South Indians and the north. But I never felt any of that here. I was treated the same like all other people who I here was, and I got to know many other people, how they are, because the impression which was created to me in my southern part of India was totally different from what they are truly are. So it is very nice, and I have got help from all the faculties in all the possible manners, starting from my portfolio, how I have to present myself, the interviews, the material handlings, the doodling and everything. And my confidence level has increased drastically once I have entered BRDS. Not only about the interview or getting it NID, I'm pretty confident about going to other places or exploring about it. It's quite easy, and it made me happy and very homely. I'm very happy that I got selected for NID. BRDS is the only reason which I got selected. That's helped me in all the possible ways which I have not been so much aware about all these things, but it made my entry to NID. I'm very happy and thankful to BRDS.